Hello, and welcome to another KTaNE tutorial. This time I'm going to be tackling X-Rotor. It's been a while since I've done this, so it's going to be weird. Alright, X-Rotor is like the X-ray module, X-ring module. It's closer to X-ring than any other X module. There will be 5 symbols that are shown here in the scanner line. There will be 5 buttons, each showing another symbol. And these symbols that are on the buttons cannot appear on the module, and that's because that's just how the submission works. So let's begin. The way the module works is that it shows 5 symbols rotating either on the top or bottom, going clockwise or counterclockwise. And using this information, we have to find the symbols in this table. And then using logic, based on how they turned, we have to find out which button they represent. We'll go for the first symbol after the long pause, and I'll just tell you what the first one is, and I'll tell you how you can depict that easier. It's a lot like X-ray. You just have to memorize how each thing looks like. So I think this is a pause. Yep, this is a start. This is a bottom counterclockwise, and I think this I thing, which would be F5. Yes. Why is that? First of all, there's like lines. If you have a keen eye, you can see lines. You can also see them on the buttons here. That's because these are PNGs. And these are artifacts. You can spot these to help you identify where they're rotating. So if you imagine from the bottom, an eye coming from this side, tilting up here, and then going this way. So the eye should start over here, then like follow my mouse, so like this, and then ending up over here. It starts at the bottom, and then it gets more and more upwards. It has that diagonal when you can see in the middle, and then it tilts upwards, so almost like this when it leaves the frame. So from here, here, up here. I pressed one of the buttons. I don't know which one. I'm just gonna press another one until it strikes me.
Oh, I would love to give you that, but I really can't.
So let's see this again. This eye here on the first rotation. It's from the bottom, and it goes counterclockwise. Last one. Yep. Bottom. You can also see a few lines. You can see the line at the top where the thing ends up. This one is top counterclockwise F7. I'll just be going through all of them, and you can see them now. So yeah, bottom counterclockwise of 5. Top counterclockwise, you can see it goes counterclockwise like this. Bottom counterclockwise F3. I think that was, I couldn't tell that was top or bottom. That is bottom clockwise for the last one. H1, I think? Maybe. Alright. Let's check here. That was top clockwise C6. Alrighty, let me highlight that. Yep. I'm a little bit skeptical about this one. The last one, let me actually check that one again. I think it was actually this one. Yeah, it's that one. Alright, so now in another marker, highlight every single button that we see. Where is that? And the F right there. Alright, so now you'll notice each button, hold on, that one does not count. Each button should have two, at least two other like things. Team. This one shares a row and a column with this one and this one. This one shares with this and this. This one shares with this and this, so on. And that's why this one only shares one, which is why there's something we have wrong. This one has a lot, and so these two only have one, which means that, yeah, something is wrong. So let's figure out the shape by clearly looking at them again. Pretty sure that was that one. Oh, that's why. That's because I highlighted the wrong shape. Oh, wait, no. That and that, yes. That, yes, yes. Yes. So double check the... The curve up, yes. Not H1, A4. The I... Oh, that was not that one, I think. It reminds me of another character that just doesn't exist, I guess. Yep. 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 And yep. Let's see. Or maybe it's each rotation has to have two. This one has two, this one has two, this one has two, this one has two, this one has two. Yeah, it's not the button that has to have two, it's each rotation has to have two. So yeah. This rotation has these two to work with, this one has these two to work with. These two right here, and these two. So each rotation will have, or symbol, will have two buttons they can connect to. This is where their coordinates or how they turn matters. Let's see it. Let's take the first one. It's spun clockwise or counterclockwise at the bottom. The symbols, the button symbols to the left of the scan symbol. We go to F5 and go to the left. This means that the first rotation requires button 1 to be pressed. Top counterclockwise is above, so F7 is above. That means button 3 reading order. Counterclockwise around the bottom is to the left for F3. That means 5. Top clockwise is below for C6. That is 2, and this one has to be 4. Well, let's check it anyways. Clockwise around the bottom is to the right. To the right for A4 is F. So we press these 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, and it solves. And you just have to get really good at reading them. I'll do a few more examples. This is bottom clockwise, C2. That is top counterclockwise. I think that was C7, maybe. Let me wait until it goes around. I'm going to quickly highlight all of these. Like so. Alright. We have that bottom clockwise, yes. Top counterclockwise, we have this one. Top, oh, that was clockwise, by the way. This one is top counter, and I missed what simple it was. Bottom clockwise, yep. Top clockwise. Yep. Top counterclockwise for which one is it? Where are you? Now I just can't remember what it looks like. It's the steer one where it has like a weird outside part. No, it's not. Where are you? Right there are you. Top counterclockwise A6. And then we have top, for the last one we have top clockwise G2. That's number 2. That's rotation 3 right here. And yes, it is top counterclockwise. Top clockwise F4. Top clockwise is below. Below is there. Below is there. And below is there. Clockwise around the bottom is to the right of C2, like that. And then this one for 3. Clockwise around the top is above. For A6, above is 3. Yep. And long, yeah, it's 2, 5, 3, 4, 1. Yep. I'll do another example and then I'll stop. So you just have to get really good at reading these symbols. So this is bottom clockwise, and it's to E, which is at, oh, it's either, let me just start from the beginning. Alright, what was this one? That's also, where are you? I'm gonna miss it now. Alright. Top counterclockwise, and it's the wave. Where are you? There, B8. Come on. There we go. B8. While we're waiting, I can highlight all of these. Where are you? I'm literally blind. What? I can just not see this. Is it this one? Yeah, what I thought was a circle. Alright. Top clockwise B8. Top clockwise H4. These are not related, I just saw that one. That came after the H8. Right. Yeah, bottom clockwise. Or counterclockwise. These are the last two, then you start here. Top counterclockwise B8, yep. Then we have bottom clockwise C6. Bottom counterclockwise C4. Alright, now we're gonna look at this. Bottom counterclockwise around the bottoms to the left. C4 is a 4. H8 is a 2. Clockwise around the top is below for H4. That is 5. Clockwise around the bottom is to the right for C6. And this would be 1 for B8. That one should be above for top counterclockwise, which is above. Yep. 1, 3, 4, 2, 5. Yep. That's how you do X-Rotor. Get good at reading the symbols. Figure out how the rotation works. Use the PNG lines that I'm telling you about use these lines you see up here. They're very useful for identifying the rotations. And then just get good at memorizing the symbols. And here's the greatest tip I can give you. Don't look at the slices and imagine, alright, what shape has like 2 lines there, then 3 lines, and then actually look at that. No. Look at the entire shape. Like here, I see the ring. I see the like diagonal top left to bottom right thing with a hole in the middle, like that one. Like let's take this one for example. I see the entire thing pointing to the right. That looks like a boozle glyph. Where are you? That one. This one I see that one we just talked about. Here I see this one. Come on, highlight. Here I see that one. Right, there we go. And here I see that. Yep. First one. And here you see that. These are all the symbols for that one. For this one, that would be the, if I looked away too soon, I think that one didn't count shot 1. I think that was the up left arrow actually, which doesn't exist. That one is the E, I think. That one is the left arrow. That one is this one. That is the funky wave. And I think that was this one. And let's really check this one with a double check by just highlighting all the buttons. That is the best thing you can do, is just highlight the buttons. Alright, this one has this and this. This one only has this one, so no. This one only has that one. That one. It will make sense if it actually was the T piece. If it was the T piece, then that would make sense. Let's see him. If it's the T piece. It's the T piece, yep. So these are all the symbols, and you just have to get good at reading them. That is the ultimate tip. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.